Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and Dan here with us, our marketing manager, and we're gonna show you 2019 Spyder RT Limited with just under 4,000 miles. Stunning color combination, amazing condition, and we're gonna get you a lot of up close. But I'm gonna hand the microphone to Dan, and we're gonna walk through and look at some cool things. So Dan, you go ahead, start from where you want to show your demo.
Okay, hi guys. Just want to check out this 2019. This is the limited edition model. It has basically every option other than the chrome wheels. It has a tow package in the rear for towing your pop-up tent. A couple other nice goodies that you can tow with it. Great amount of storage. You have your top box. You have two side boxes on nice little dampers on both sides, keeping the rear passenger comfortable. They have heated elements on this side, and also control over the audio settings here as well. Nice little, very comfortable seating.
Is it easy to get onto?
They are very easy. So you have floorboards on this side and this side, and easy to step here or here, and you're in the back. Very nice and comfortable.
Yeah.
Nice bolsters.
Yeah.
Front seat just as easy. You know, these are very comfortable motorcycles to ride and to operate. So this is a semi-automatic motorcycle. That means it has paddle shifters for your 6-speed transmission. It has cruise control, but it's also clutchless. So just like today's Tiptronic transmissions, very similar. Only one single brake pedal that works all the brakes combined. This one is also equipped with Bluetooth, an iPod jack for storing your iPod in the front and connecting it via USB, Bluetooth for speakers and also for the phone. So we have up front, we have heated grips, all your controls for your speaker system, audio system, your Tiptronic information, all of vehicle functions, adjustable windscreen, which is very nice. Let me close this, get rid of that message. And let's see here.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Can you move it one more time?
Yep. Here's a adjustable front windscreen.
Wow.
Nice and easy.
Let's close this. Do you mind just driving it around a little bit?
Sure. Let's do it. Okay. Foot on the brake. Then it is in neutral up front. So we have neutral here. This is your parking brake. You disengage the parking brake. It's electronic. And that will remove the parking brake. Foot on the brake. Put it in first gear. And then you're away. So we're cruising at about 1400 RPM doing 10 miles per hour. Very nice and smooth. Great steering response. A little bit of a learning curve getting used to the dual wheels in the front. Nice pedal feel for the brakes. Got your little headlights, your fog lights, little high beams, everything on this motorcycle, just as you expect it.
How's the reverse?
Reverse is a little interesting. So you put it into neutral by hitting the back button on the transmission. So you now have neutral. And then you hold the R button, which is up top, and put it in, hit the negative once again to put it in reverse.
Awesome.
It does have a kind of a safety feature, so you're not doing it automatically when you hit reverse. Then to stop, you just put it into neutral once again, put on your parking brake, and then you can turn it off.
Awesome. Well, let me have the microphone. Now that we know our viewers see how it looks and runs, I want to go over the condition. The condition is absolutely amazing. It is, I have not seen one single imperfection yet. How about you, Dan?
I have not.
Yes.
It's in great condition, only just a tad under 4,000 miles.
Yeah, let's start from the front. The tire's really good. No issues. The rim is impeccable. We're looking at the fender. No concerns there. Minimal to no wear. I don't see any scuff marks or anything on the typical entry points or in the painted area in front of the seat. The steering bar and the controls are in impeccable condition. The windshield has no imperfections. Really, really good. The front fascia is impeccable. Even the lower section, everything looks excellent. The suspension parts, which looks like kind of like a car suspension, double wishbone, independent suspension, everything is in impeccable condition. We can see the ABS ring, the sensors, lighting, light reflectors, the exhaust, and really nice heavy duty towing setup with the, looks like a nice mud flap. The drivetrain in the back, everything is in great shape, and we already showed you plenty of cargo. So check the availability on our website. If you like it, you can visit alphacars.com, AlphaCars.com, or simply give us a call at 978-263-9000, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and certainly check and mark those videos that you like. And thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars.